Hello and welcome to the video. This is the quick video to announce the two winners from this video that I did last Friday. Now this is about the new Polar HD camera from Caddx. Appears to have been driven partially by a shortage of the 4.3 chips that are used in the Caddx Pro, the Nebula Pro, which I'm a massive fan of. This one is one that's currently available, has different specs, sadly only 69. It's supposed to be low light. However, in my testing here, although it kind of worked okay, it wasn't the same as some of the other Starlight analog cameras that I've used. The other thing I noticed when I was flying it in the daytime, color reproduction was a little bit muddy, and also some of the colors were not being shown faithfully, but it is a huge improvement over the little Nebula Nano and Nano 2 that we had before. So if you stayed with the video, and there we go, then we had a little bit of a giveaway. And I need to say a massive thank you to Caddx for doing this. These two units are going to be shipped directly from Caddx. I don't have them here. So to be in with a chance to win, all you had to do was like, comment and subscribe, and lots of you did. So thank you very much for that. So we're going to use a random comment picker to choose two winners, each of which will get one of these cameras. Again, shipped from Caddx directly. So I'm using a slightly different random comment picker now. So I'm going to put in the link. I'm going to say fetch. We're not going to allow duplicates, and we're not going to include replies, just to make it as fair as we can. Click on continue. Only 204 comments, so not a bad chance of winning. Richard Powell. Richard, congratulations. Send me an email to lee@painless360.com and I'll sort out where you want it shipped to, and we'll get that shipped. Congratulations. Okay, we need one more. Let's pick another one. So the winner of the second camera is Sam. Richard, Sam, congratulations. It's indeed hard to find the Nebula Pro. Just bought his first DJI goggles. Perfect. Okay, I want at least two more. Fab. Sam, you probably don't have to buy one of these now because you've just won one, so congratulations. So again, Sam, pop me your details to lee@painless360.com, sort out shipping details, and I'll pass all that information on to Caddx, and you can try one out for yourself. Commiserations to all of you that didn't win, but do make sure you are subscribed and have the bell notification icon selected on my channel, as occasionally I will be completely transparent about giveaways, but occasionally I'll hide them at the end of videos too. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.